Hey guys, Mike with A&M here. So today we're going to do a Good Find Friday, which basically we go to a job, we do a hauling job, and we get all the stuff from the job, and then we take it back to our property, and we show you guys everything that's good that we could save, use, or sell. So that's what the video is about. So let's get into it. All right, we are back at the property with the full trailer, so we're gonna unload and see if we got anything good. All right, so as you can see, we did have a lot of trash left over on this job, and there's some stuff in the truck as well. That table was broken, even though it was a nice table at one point. But we did get some good stuff, so here is the good stuff. So the first thing is this grill. Looks halfway decent, so we can maybe get 50 to 100 bucks for that, and the propane tanks on it. Then next we have this tire. This is a big tractor tire, but gyms or high school football teams or anything like that might buy it to just use it as for exercise. So that could be anywhere from $50 to $100. This is just a Tupperware container, but I always keep all the containers. And then we got 2 extra propane tanks, which if you ever refill your propane tank, if you don't have one, they charge you an extra like $20 to $30. So even if these are empty, I can sell them online for 10 bucks. This is just a pot and a handle for a hose. Don't know if that works. Then I did get some hoses over here. These are like those no kink hoses, so we're gonna see if any of those work. Those are pretty cool. And then the best thing we got here were all these chairs. So there's about 3, 6, 7, 8 of those chairs, and those can be anywhere from $5 to $10. And then we got this pot here that looks pretty cool. It's really heavy duty, made out of concrete. And then we got these weights here, 10-pound weights. You can get anywhere from 10 to 20 bucks for those. So overall, we did get a few good things, and thanks for watching this Good Find Friday. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.